Ma, grill's ready.
Mind if I join you?
Have a seat. Get the load off.
Oh, yeah. There we go.
It's quite the setup you've got here.
Well, I wanted the kids to have a happy childhood, unlike some people I know.
You're not talking about us, are you?
Oh, no.
We had a great childhood.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, look at me. I turned out fabulous.
Yep. Huh.
Howard. Come on, what is that?
It looks like a house key to me. Come on, you know we got the spare room, and it's got to be better than bouncing around trailer parks.
I don't think this is a good idea.
It's never too late for a second chance.
I'm sorry. They're better off without me. Pick up, come on.
You bounce me or I bounce you? You're bouncing me, you're bouncing me.
Hey, Dad, come show us your backflip.
What? No.
Yeah, come on, Uncle Howard. Come on, Howard.
Howard. Help him up, Mommy, help him up. There you go.
All right, here we go. Watch out.
Wait, stop!
Oh, nice catch, Auntie.
All right, here we go.
Okay, Dad.
Let's do it.
Stay away from that edge.
Come on, Uncle Howard.
There you go, just like college. Hey, what's that? Mom, you watch it?
Careful, Howard!
Not making it out of it. That's cheating. Hey, Stephanie! You made it!
Stephanie, I'm glad you decided to come.
Now the whole family's here! Oh, yeah. I'm okay. All right.
Oh, good.
Ow! Oh! Ow! I'm okay. It's okay. It's all right. Oh!